Hello everybody, welcome to Crypto Space channel, and in today's video I want to talk about crypto project which is decentralized sharing economies built on RSK called RIF or RIFAs, the root infrastructure framework open standard. And I actually want to go through their marketplace, talk about their services, go through white paper, talk about their native token called RIF, and actually share some more exciting things I was able to learn about this project. I'm very happy to share it with you guys because I find it very interesting and valuable to the crypto space. So let me actually start with their goal of decentralized sharing economies, and as they say, they're collaborative marketplaces where individuals interact on peer-to-peer basis coordinated by smart contracts. And actually, for those of you who are not familiar what is RSK blockchain is, it is a blockchain built on top of Bitcoin, enables a new global economy and adds value and functionality to the Bitcoin ecosystem by enabling smart contracts, instant payments, and high scalability. So it is actually all we need to have mass adoption for the crypto space. And let me go through their marketplace and also their infrastructure framework services. And what is those services? You could see here it is identity, storage, communications, payments, and gateways. So as they say, built on top of RSK, RIF is creating the building blocks to construct a fully decentralized internet that enables decentralized sharing economies. And there is the tab with all those services they're working on currently. For example, let us start with identity. A RIF identity is meant to allow users to easily control their IDs to interact in decentralized economies while building all reputation. Will enable users, especially those excluded from the traditional finance system, to participate in decentralized digital economy of the future. And they also go through the functionality and actually showing a lot of information. I highly encourage you to make a deeper research on this because they did so much great job already, and I think it's worth to learn more, go deeper and this project. So it's another one is RIF aggregation, which is a layer 2 solution, building ultra scalable zero knowledge rollups to the rootstock ecosystem, and they're based on ZK Sync. So it's also huge and good sign because I think ZK Syncs are also very great technologies, and actually you could definitely check one by one all the services which you potentially could be used. For example, RIF payments, building the infrastructure for scalable trusted payments of Web3, which is actually also very critical and important. So they're sharing those benefits of those protocol. For example, it is process transaction between users on highly scalable rails, near zero transaction cost. Choose to operate in custodial or not custodial settings. It is actually a very cool feature, make cross-token payments and much more. So I highly encourage you to go through all of this. It will take like a lot of time to make the dedicated research, but it definitely worth it. And as I say, you know, it is also marketplace on top of it for those services. And your marketplace for decentralized services is this RIF marketplace. They provide a digital catalog for different types of services, allowing providers to publish their services and engage with users and the secure and efficient way. And you could see here that it is name services, like you could buy or sell domains through the marketplace, notifications, so offer, subscribe to real-time blockchain notifications using the marketplace. So it will definitely save some time for you, and users will definitely love it. So great that they adding this functionality. And also like storage, offer, rent decentralized storage through the marketplace. And you know, they're also have the demo to show in here, so also good idea to check it with marketplace. On the main page they have this watch video tab in here. Let me show you, where is it? Yeah, so it is also good thing to check in my opinion. And also with all those services, for example aggregation, you could also open wallet and see the stage, how it look like for now. So you could see that it's like RIF aggregation testnet. You could connect wallet, check how it works. It is actually also a wallet connect in here. And if we are going to talk about supported wallets, it is actually insane amount of wallets. They're integrated already, and it's cool that they're already worried about us and adding all those wallets supported. So like MetaMask, Ledger, Trezor, Decent, and other wallets. So many of them, Mass Wallet and others. And let me actually start talking about the RIF token. And as I said, it's their native token. It's called RIF. Actually, it's ranking 337th place in the all cryptocurrencies. It's very huge position already in the crypto space, but at the same time, it has some room for growth. It's also a good sign. 16, almost 17k of people added them in the watch list, and a very good sign. And even the price now it's very good accumulation phase. It didn't fall like that dramatically as other crypto, and I think it's very good healthy chart considering our current market conditions. And the way how to buy it, it's trading and listed in already all top tier 1 exchanges, like almost all. I mean, it's Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, other exchanges. Those are tier 1 exchanges, and once the token is listed on tier 1 exchange, it's adding additional trust for the project for sure, because it's hard to be listed on those exchanges. Also Max Exchange and some other ones, so you could definitely could find the way how to buy the token. So you could see the market cap, which is 50 million for now, and fully diluted market cap. Also here it's a huge room for growth because it's so much potential looking at this, so it could be considered as a good investment. So I think it's good to do your own research and here. And yeah, you could see how to get started. As I say, create wallet, get RIF token, and use their services. If we're talking about their community, I highly also encourage you to follow them on Twitter, social media, because it's a lot of valuable information in here. They post some updates, made some information added in here, so definitely a good thing to follow them, as well as RSK as well, so good thing to do. And you could see that they actually already followed by 36 even 38k of followers. It's a huge amount of people which is part of the community. Also very good sign actually for the health of the project and the potential of it in the bull market. And as I said, it's never enough to continue learning. I highly encourage you also to check this RIF expert panel where they talk about the oracles, and it's very interesting discussion and panel between those guys. So it's like 1 hour, but it's definitely worth watching it. I definitely enjoy it. So also, I want to go through their white paper because it's also edited in their website and good to look at. They have a very deep table of content in here, and it's very easy to click, go to specific tab you want to check. For example, letters, go through, for example, the solution or maybe the problem, the growing pains of blockchain technology, because the idea behind the project itself that there are a lot of pain points of blockchain which we currently having, so like business logic, smart contract capabilities, transaction processing volume, and we have the scaling issue. I definitely agree, and many blockchains trying to solve it. Difficulty on the implementation of traditional developers, campaign and end users, and they're giving us this solution, as I said, the root infrastructure framework, open standard. It's a lot of detailed information in here about what they're doing, what is their proposal, the key components which were talked already and also described in here very deeply. So they add like some charts and good representation of what is their RSK like protocol and how it look like overall, to make you clear understand what does it actually mean and why they choose RSK smart protocol as layer 1 of their framework. Like it is Bitcoin friendly, security first, scalability, instant payments, and actually even much more with dApps. And they're talking about the RIF labs, the role, the team. So actually so many valuable information, as well as they're also giving us more information, the RIF tokens, so also highly recommend you to check it. And for those of you who have more questions, it's quite of like big project, and it's huge technology behind it, so they have this frequently asked questions tab also, where you could find some answers for questions like general questions, token related questions about their services and other things. So, and the same tab, you could just click on the question you have if it's similar with what they do, put in here, and it will be shown in here. So also highly encourage you to go through if you have some more questions. And it is actually all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.